What's up, guys? We're back. It's all over for PieCoin. In this video, we're looking at PieCoin, and honestly, the Pi network, the Pi token itself, it gets quite a lot of criticism. You've only really got to do a little bit of research to find that PieCoin does get kind of negatively battered when it comes to its tokenomics. But also, the token unlocks. Pi network faces headwinds as token unlocks threaten the market stability. So this coin launched and it was doing quite well, but it only takes a very quick glance of its current circulating supply, which is 8.28 billion Pi tokens with 100 billion on the maximum supply, and it only takes a very quick glance at Pi Scan. Looking at Pi Scan, the total unlock pending in the next 30 days is 118.8 million coins. That is a massive amount of tokens. The average daily unlock is looking like 3.9 million tokens. Now, whether they can all be sold or not, I'm not sure, but according to this, it's telling me that these coins are going into circulation, which dilutes the price of the coin as well. So it's kind of feeling like super inflationary, and usually this is why I stick to tokens, by the way, that already have 100% of their coins circulating, because you don't get battered by big token releases and emissions. And this is quite an important thing in cryptocurrency. So, yeah, Pi unlocks over the next 30 days based on claimable balances, either user locked or distributed by the Pi core team. Unreleased Pi, not yet in the claimable balances, cannot be tracked. So this is quite a big thing. Looking at the price action, it has just been on average a complete downward sort of trend. There's been big tradable opportunities, you could argue, big impulses, 2x here. And then, you could argue recently it also went up 50% again. But on average, it's just coming down more and more, the price itself. When we look at the market capital, it's also looking similar. And it actually topped out at $18 billion on the market cap, but it has been slipping away more and more as people are getting more disinterested in Pi network and the token and selling off the coins. The selling pressure is just immense versus the buying pressure. But I do think one day we will see maybe a big rebound for PieCoin, but it's very hard. Now, looking at just price alone, a lot of resistance around 0.33. This region here, I think, is going to be quite difficult for PieCoin to get back through to. And you can actually see it slipped away. It went negative relative strength index on the 10th of October. I think that may have been when we had like that big liquidation event, or that might have been in September. I can't even remember. Time is just flying. But overall, yeah, it's not looking too good. And there's a lot of selling resistance on today's price action for PieCoin as well. So a lot of people worried about Pi, and, looking at the chart, you can kind of see why. Over, 3.36 million additional pioneers have fully passed KYC after a recently released system process made 4.76 million tentatively KYC'd pioneers. And you look through and people are just complaining. People mining since 2019 are still waiting for KYC and migration. This guy said, don't lie, I've been waiting for the approval stage for 9 months, for over a year, but I'm still stuck at the same stage. So a lot of people are annoyed. Like this one's like, bro, just released my money now since April. He wants his $500 and he doesn't want it to turn into $93. So that's the thing, people have got all their coins locked, migrated, there's problems, and the price action is just dropping away. It's just dropping away, and it's not good. That's not what people want. They're watching the price drop consistently, but they can't sell their tokens in a lot of cases. But yeah, guys, also want to say, if you're wanting to grow in this crypto space, please check out my Discord. We've got loads of traders in here making big wins on a daily basis. And if you want to get into one of the hottest crypto Discord channels, we've now got 42.7k members. Check the link down below, come hang out with us, have a bit of fun. And, in general, it's really nice to have new people joining the group here. So we're very active, a lot of people talking, trading, sharing ideas, and, we're just all having a great time together. So please join the Discord and check out the Patreon if you want to get some of these nice benefits here. You got early alphas, you got whitelistings, you've got spot signals, leverage signals, and future signals. We've got stealth launches, insights, education, resources, and more. So the Patreon is down below. Thought I would kind of just give PieCoin my own honest opinion at the moment of what's going on. It's moved nicely over 24 hours. Pretty good, to be fair. But is it enough to claw back the missing price tag of, what it once was? When it's $2.74. So it is down 90%, which is kind of scary. If you guys are trading, buying cryptos, check out KSEX down below. You can enjoy some of the lowest fees in the market, pretty much the lowest fees. Trade now and enjoy 0 fee trading on spot leverage. Link is down below, guys, and you can have a little look at the exchange and get trading in a few seconds. You'll really like this one. It's globally accessible. But if you want one that's easier to on-ramp fiat, you can check out Bitunix down below. Here you can enjoy some higher staking rewards, such as 11% APY with Tether, which is seriously good. And also on the future side, you can do things like copy trading, where you can copy other successful traders in the market trying to replicate their ROI. So there's a couple of choices for you down below where you can buy a bunch of coins and stuff. And yeah, guys, before you go, subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Peace.